Welcome back. We all know that during these trying times, the last thing that any of us want to deal with is being evicted from our home. Unfortunately, with unemployment rates so high, many will be faced with this very situation. We spoke with Gilbert Ramirez, Deputy Director of Behavioral Health and Wellness from the city of Albuquerque, about what tenants need to know and what they can do to protect themselves if they're unable to pay the rent.
Joining us this morning, we have Gilbert Ramirez with the Family and Community Services. Good morning.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. I'm so glad that you're here to join us because we have a lot of viewers that may fit your criteria in need of help. We're talking about COVID-19 and potential eviction notices or people who are not able to pay their utilities. Before we get into all of that, can you tell our viewers what the Family and Community Services is all about and what you guys do for the community?
Absolutely. Family Community Services is a very proud department in that we have a lot of money for social service programs, but the one we really want to highlight for the community now is our Eviction Prevention Program. We've had that program in existence for some time, and this year we're very excited that our budget was renewed for dollars as of July 1, and we really want to make sure we get the word out that we have a resource for our community right now that's probably a little concerned around whether they can pay rent as a result of COVID. And so we're able to kind of review and see if applicants qualify for our assistance, and it does cover rental as well as utility, whether it's electric or water. So thank you for the opportunity today to share a little bit more about it.
Absolutely. You know, for some of our viewers who may be in the situation where they think, I'm not going to be able to make next month's rent, what should they do? What are the steps they should be taking right now?
Well, the number one crucial step to do is make sure that you're having a conversation with your landlord. It is important to communicate them your situation, whether you've lost income as a result of COVID, that you can't pay. There is a state moratorium right now to help prevent families being evicted. However, it doesn't mean that the money that's owed is not going to eventually have to get paid. And so that's a concern for a lot of individuals, especially if they have several months of rent that haven't been paid. So with protection, it's important to also just say, is there opportunity for a payment plan? What can they do to kind of get caught up with that payment? Or the utility company that you owe money to, have a conversation with them. If it moves into the next step where they actually take you toward an eviction process, it's important that you show up, you are under that process, and that you let the judge know that you've been affected by COVID and what your situation is. They are trying to work with meeting programs and then assistance to help you pay or get kind of caught up. So it is a process, but we do, biggest thing to do is communicate, and then also a reminder that the money is still owed, and it's important to pay that. One other thing from constituents is that if your lease is up for renewal and you're behind, it's important to communicate that so that you know that there's a plan so that they'll renew that lease and hopefully not terminate it as well.
Now, I know that you guys have certain criteria that the individuals must meet. So tell me, when someone is at that point where they need assistance and they need to contact your services, what do they need to take and who do they call?
So simplest way to do it is you can visit cabq.gov and type in a search for rental assistance, or just call 311. Call 311, let them know your need of these rental assistance program. They'll connect you to one of our 4 sites to speak to one of our managers to review your situation and let you know if you qualify. You don't have to bring anything in immediately. They will walk you through that process, usually ID, paperwork, a letter from your landlord showing how much you owe, or your utility bill, and then we will work to qualify you based on the program that we have. So that's the simplest step. Just call 311. Let them know you're looking for rental assistance. They'll connect you to one of our operators to help you kind of get screened, and we'll see what program we can qualify you for your payment.
Okay, before I let you go, again, give me the name of the programs that they need to ask for rent and for utilities.
So rental assistance or eviction prevention. Those buzzwords will get you to our community site centers, our health and social service centers, to somebody who can review it and screen you and see if we can help you. Also visit cabq.gov, search for those terms, or just call 311.
Okay, Gilbert Ramirez. Some trying times for a lot of us here. I want to thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
And for a full recap of that entire interview, as well as how you can find out more about the Eviction Prevention Program, you can find that later on this morning at always on KRQE.com.